Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your Facebook account permanently without any stress. Some of the reasons why we delete our Facebook account is because sometimes we manage different type of Facebook accounts. Maybe we have a lot of Facebook accounts. Another reason by which we delete our Facebook account is because maybe we got hacked by some of the fraudulent people got hacked on our Facebook account, and we find it difficult to retrieve the account back from the hacker. So in this regard, we can delete the account so that it will not be useful for the hacker, and also it will not be useful for us again. Then we can create a personal safety Facebook account. Those are the two major reasons why by which we delete our Facebook account. So if you are the type that are finding it difficult to delete your Facebook account permanently, this video is going to help you out because I'm going to explain every step you need to take to delete it permanently without any stress. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook page. Okay, open up your Facebook page. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on your profile picture. Let me make an indicate. So you tap on your profile picture here. Okay, so when you tap on your profile picture, it's going to bring it up like this. So the next step you have to take is to click on here. So when you click on that point, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, next thing you have to click on View Privacy Shortcuts. Okay, I'm going to click on it right now. Now when you get to this point, this is where you take the action. You have to scroll down. Here we go. So I'm going to make another screenshot again. Now to delete your Facebook account permanently, you have to click on this point here, delete your account and information. This simply means that once you delete the account and information, or everything you have posted so far in the page is going to wipe off without any stress, and the account is gone and gone forever. So this is how you can easily delete your Facebook account in case of unforeseen contingency happen to your Facebook account. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find value for this video, give the video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any further question as far as this tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be able to reply whatsoever question you have. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.